Is your Toniebox not turning on? Power and charging failures affect 10 to 15% of devices. The Toniebox uses a rechargeable lithium polymer battery charged via USB-C in newer models. Common issues include drained batteries, charging cable problems, and software glitches. Common culprits for power issues are drained batteries, charging cable issues, and software glitches. Let's start with initial troubleshooting steps. First, perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Second, check the charging cable and adapter. Ensure they're official Tony's versions rated at 5 volts 1 amps to avoid damage. Third, examine the charging port for any debris that might prevent proper connection. Fourth, connect the Toniebox to a known working USB port or powered USB hub for at least 30 minutes. Finally, check the LED indicator. If it doesn't light up, the battery may be deeply discharged or faulty. If initial troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, move to advanced fixes. Start by checking for firmware updates through the Tony's app. Outdated software often leads to power management problems that can prevent proper charging or cause unexpected shutdowns. The Toniebox features a deep sleep mode designed to conserve energy. If it's unresponsive, try leaving it plugged in for several hours. This can help wake it from a low power state and restore normal function. If your Toniebox is a pre-2023 model, battery degradation is a likely cause of power issues. Over time, lithium polymer batteries lose capacity and may fail to hold a charge. In such cases, professional battery replacement might be necessary. To prevent future power issues, always use the official Tony's charger. Third-party chargers can cause voltage spikes that damage the battery or charging circuit. Temperature extremes can severely impact battery performance. Avoid charging in conditions below 0 degrees Celsius or above 35 degrees Celsius to maintain battery integrity and prevent degradation. When storing the Toniebox for long periods, maintain at least a 50% battery charge. This prevents deep discharge that can permanently damage the battery. For persistent problems, reach out to Tony's support if your device is under warranty. As of 2025, warranties cover up to 3 years for charging-related defects. If you're comfortable with repairs, check iFixit for detailed guides on fixing charging issues. However, be cautious, as DIY work might void your warranty. Stay updated by checking community forums like r/Tonys for user-shared solutions. Also, ensure you're running the latest firmware, including the June 2025 v3.8 update that improves power management.